Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great and everybody is doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you pretty cool brain boosting or concentration building activities that can be done as part of daily activities for your child's routine. Primarily for kids age 6 to 8, we are looking for activities that can help them build their concentration while they are learning online or while they are trying to do some activities in the house. And that's the motive of the activities is basically to build that happy time and make sure they're doing a lot of logical reasoning, and they are putting their concentration to the best of levels that they can, and these activities definitely promote them. So one activity a day or two activities a day for the whole week has been done, and I'm going to share it with you. It might take you around 10 minutes to create them, which is not a bad time at all for creating activities which can last you for a week. And they're extremely simple. You don't need any material to create them. You just need like a couple of pages, pencils and crayons, colors, whatever you have in the house. That's it. Like, there's nothing else required. So I think the best thing is you're building on concentration. You don't need much time to create and absolutely no resources. It perfectly fits as daily activities as well. So whenever you think your child is free, a little free, or you think they are going low on the concentration, make sure that you grab them back and just present one of these, and let them just think it over of what they want to do. The questions will be like amazing, because that's what we need. We don't need the correct answers in the first go. We need that thinking. We need that concentration needs to be built and see what exactly is happening here, and what do I have to do. So, but before we get going, guys, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment. Tell me whatever you like the best about the video, or if you want to see something particular from me in the next couple of weeks, definitely I would be happy to hear that. I'm going to welcome all my new subscribers. Make sure you leave a hi for me. And so before any further delay, let's get going and let's see the book. Alright, so I have used my same notebook that I always use, and I have marked it as Brain Teaser Daily Activities, and the topic is Visual Discrimination. And I have a couple of activities, but let me get going with the first one or the second one. Let me just show this one to you. So what I've done here is I have taken a three-way grid, alright, and you have 4 components here. So for this one, it's basically a sundae station or an ice cream station. You have a cone, you have a cup, you have that's a waffle cone, that's a plain cup, and that's a ice cream stick that you can see here. And then you have all these ice cream cones that they have to fill up. So what's going to happen here is the child has to take up the yellow cone, then he needs to add a pink and blue ice cream, and then he needs to create the face. So this is a three-way grid, all right. And the same thing for this one, they're going to have this, then this, along with this face. So this is exactly how they have to do the grid number grid, which is for making ice cream sundae. Now this is creating face, and you have the circles, okay, and then you have the colors and you have the face. So in three-way grid, what you have to do is, again, you're going to pick up a circle, you're going to add this face, and you have to make it into this color. Same thing with this. You pick up this, you put that face in here, and you use the pink color. So you have 4 colors here. So basically this is a three-way grid. But if you think that grid is too difficult, you can always begin with the simple one. And I've just put the simple one for a lot of kids who have not done this before, just to understand. So I've taken 3 components here. So it's and 3 colors here. So what the child needs to do, he needs to make a heart here with the same face in orange color, heart here with green color, heart here with pink color with the same face. So is for this bowl, and then for the cone. The ice cream cone needs to be completely orange, then green, and then pink. So basically this is shape and color matrix. This one is shape, color, and face matrix. This one is a food matrix, definitely. So this is a particular object, a particular expression, and particular flavors that you're building in together. Then we have something with addition as well, because I wanted to add an element of brain teaser maths as well, because that works very, very well. So they have to add 25 plus 15, they need to write here, 25 plus 20, they need to write here, 25 plus 32, 25 plus 19. Then same thing with 35 plus 15, 35 plus 20. So like this, they're going to be doing a lot of calculation, like just out of the box. And I've left this page empty here so that they can do their rough work on the side. Going forward, what I've done, I've taken these different 4 shapes and a combination of colors. So guys, you might be thinking it's very, very easy to create this, but I would just say that it needs a lot of reasoning. In case if you want this book, I can actually like scan and like share it with you guys if on request. If you want that, just leave a comment below and I would be happy to share it by end of the day today or tomorrow. Just let me know in case if you want this. If it'll be difficult for you to make it by yourself, I can like just do a color scan and you guys can take a printout and give it to the kids to do it. For the parents who think that they don't have time, I'm happy to help. So here what I've done, I've made a rainbow, I've made a random cactus flower, and then there is like just a star and a flag, and you have these colors. So they have to put the same colors in each one of them as per the way it's been identified and have been marked. Okay, now this is meal prep. What I've done, I've made a pizza, a sandwich and a burger, and then you have tomatoes, lettuce and onions. You could make anything, whatever you want. I just wanted to keep it very, very simple. The kids have to just add on to the pizza. So this is primarily understanding also how to take orders, how to have visual discrimination, which thing is going to go where, and a very good understanding of rows and columns, right? So I think it's a pretty cool way of identifying things. So I have done a couple of activities in my very old videos of brain teasers about this one, but I thought this is it will be nice to consolidate all of them and give you a fair idea of how exactly they can be created. Then I have solved the grid, and I have some bigger numbers for the kids here, and it's like plus and minus both. You could do a multiplication as well, divide as well, whatever you want. You can definitely add on your component and the kids can do it. Then I have this, which one was complete the grid meal, and I wanted to add just here element of stickers. I want here the whole idea was to create a meal plan. All right, so again, this is a 3-way grid. So what the child has to do, pick up a burger here. Okay, the burger is going to come here, French fries is going to come here, and a pack of chips is going to come here. So that's how the tray is going to look like. Then a cup of coffee, French fries and pretzel is going to come here. What's going to come here? A burger, a hot dog, mustard sauce, ketchup and chips here. And if you think the space is too less, you can obviously increase the space and you can add on, or you could remove. You could just see what different things you can add in there. Like I have a drink here. With drink, then it's going to be with this grid, French fries, and then from here watermelon. For this one, there'll be like the drink, hot dog, mustard, ketchup and a watermelon slice. So I think it's pretty cool way of doing that. Then we have a dessert counter where we have a donut, ice cream, lollipop and biscuits. So, and these are 3 toppings. You have chocolate, you have strawberry and you have red velvet. You could create any color you want, and then these are all the different toppings that I've created. So you have chocolate chips, you have popcorners, which are like the pop rocks that they pop in the mouth. Then you have confetti, and then you have the colorful dots. What the child has to do, pick up the donut, make the donut here. Then he needs to create the chocolate thing on top of that, and then add these sprinkles. So I think that it's adding a lot of detailed element. Along with that, the child is able to do a free drawing and able to create a lot of things as per what they have been told. All right, so it's a great way. And that's it, guys. So you do let me know what activity or which activity you think is really amazing and out of the box and something that you really want to try with your kids. I would be happy to hear, but please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you want the book. I'm happy to share that as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.